time we came here it was middle of winter, wasn't it? The water was well high, river was flowing, and there were no trees. Well, there was trees, but there was no leaves on them. Cool, that is. Cracking views. It looks a lot better, especially that lake bit when the sun's shining, doesn't it? Got loads of biscuits stuck in my teeth, jammy dodgers. It is a nice little river, that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all the travels on that side.
Not a bad day for September, really. I don't know why he's brought a metal detector.
What's that one mean?
What?
That one went off.
I have no idea.
Rings and...
It was set for jewellery and precious metals before. Yeah, said it was going to be cloudy all day, and look at that. It's going all nice and blue.
Well,
So we're on for a double winner here. We've got a nice river. In fact, there's two there. One from the waterfall and one coming from that way.
a nice mountain.
Waterfall's down this way. Nice little mountain up there, James, like you said.
Not very little.
And a nice walk. And it's not a bad one either. If you take the left here, where that is, it's a bit rough. If you go to the right, it's just a forestry path, a lot easier. I'll show you when we get there. Yeah, so literally, could be what I've just spoke about. Look at that little river, it's well cool. So if you go across that bridge, follow it just slightly round, and then to the left, that's the forestry path. It's pretty flat. Well, this way it's a little bit more dodgy, but in fact it'll be alright today, because last time we came was the middle of winter and it was really wet, slutchy and that. So we'll go this way and we'll come back across that way, I think. Cracking views. He's here. Oh, what's he got?
Look at him in the light.
Bit of beat. Oh, you're dropping him. Let's have a look. Oh, he blew, was he?
On his back.
He really blew.
So pick him up, let him biting me. See him?
See, yeah, really metallic. He's cool. I don't remember the hills on here, Rose. I think we was trying to not slip around last time, weren't we? This is where the nice path ends, but it's alright because it's dry. And the waterfall is just around the corner there. In fact, I think I can see the top. It's like any of the others we've seen today, not much water flowing. Lake Vyrnwy is quite empty. Oh, you can hear one down there as well, in the bottom. You can see the top there. I think that's how you see it. Probably not. Hey, it's flown off, Rose. Look at that. That looks wicked in the sun. It's a lot nicer when the sun's shining. But then again, when we came in winter, we've not seen anyone, to be fair, today. There's not been many about. But when we came in winter, there was pretty much just us here. It was bitter cold. But that just looks awesome. You can see path's a bit rougher here, but look at that, all the way down now since we passed or came around that corner. That's what we've got to look at. It doesn't look like it's done any justice on the camera. Look at them views. No idea what that random's doing over there. Up to no good. I think the last time we came here, did I do a video of this? It was all over the show because this was really muddy, weren't it? Hopefully we don't get drawn up. James, evil one. Not sure if it gives you a sense of scale on the camera, but that is big. And there's like multiple falls all the way up it. A lot more people here than Wintertown. I know I said that before, but if you want the place to yourself, you've got to get out. As long as it's not peeing down, you're laughing. Looks like there's some people down there. Or up, I said down there. Up there, some with a green top on. Brandon taking pictures of me while I'm taking pictures of him up there, James, I think.